Today we're gonna make some really fast, easy signs that you can make too in a jiffy.
Talking about joy, talking about joy. Who knows that movie? Joy, joy.
Hey Remodelaholics, welcome back to our DIY channel. Today I'm excited to show you this cool project that I found out about when I was at a conference for YouTube actually. While I was there, they had like a whole bunch of vendors for different products, and this is one of the products that was there. And I totally signed up for it because it's pretty fun. So I'm gonna show you how you can make a sign like this one right here that says Merry Christmas in less than like 2 minutes. Okay, let's get started. So the cool thing about this transfer is that it is a silk screen that also has a sticky side so we can stick it down to the chalkboard, and then we use our chalk paints to silk screen onto this, and then this can be reused several times. So you could make this as gifts for all your friends and family, or you could use it this year, erase the board, do other designs, and then next year use it again. It's pretty cool that way. So first of all, I am going to prep my paint. So what I've heard from other makers as I've been kind of learning about this is that every time that you close up your paint, it's nice to give it a little spritz of water so that it will stay nice and kind of keep from drying out. Okie dokie, so I am going to lay out this towel and I'm going to start peeling the backing off of this silk screen. Okay, there we go. All right, one of the rules with the silk screen is that you don't want to pull it on a diagonal so that you don't stretch it out. And since this is the first time I'm using it, I'm going to fuzz it on a towel. So this just helps, I'm gonna do it twice. Make sure that it doesn't stick so hard to this surface that it pulls out of shape when you remove it. It will still be reusable.
Come on.
You want to make sure you don't have any bubbles. And we are going to want to do this kind of fast. I want to use the red on Rudolph. So I'm going to go down here with the squeegee. Okay, so you don't want this to dry, so we got to hurry, and I'm not going very fast. So I'm going to hurry. So here's the white. Close that up and get this off before it dries, I hope. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 corners. Let's see, come on, buddy. Be my friend. Ooh, yeah, my Rudolph got pulled off a little bit, dang it. Okay, so when I was done with that transfer, I put the transfer into a bath of water, and I'm just gonna kind of scrub off the chalk paint. I don't have an eraser. They do make an eraser, but it's been out of stock, so I'm just using a washcloth. And the only thing about the red is it might stain your transfer, but as long as you get the residue off, it should be fine. And that's the beauty though, that even though it's kind of stained, you can still use the product several times. So you don't want the backing to stick to itself because that makes it just tricky to undo, which is why having a little basin of water while you're doing the work is so nice to have. Okay, so I'm gonna stick the sticky side up. First of all, I'm gonna dry it just a little bit. Okay, so this is backwards, so this is actually the sticky side, and I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna move it to a place that it can dry, and then when it's dry, we will take this sheet that it was sitting on before, the backer sheet, and stick it back on it, but it's gotta dry first. Okay, so here is the results.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
How cute is that, right? So this literally took me like 3 minutes. I had to mix my paints beforehand, put them on. I was a little slow here. It did kind of pull up, but if you notice that your chalk is drying, you can just get your finger wet and go over it, and it'll kind of re-wet the chalk paint and fix any dry spots. So next time I will try that out, but this is like only my second sign ever. That one was the first, second. Love it. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, so I really want to do this Joy to the World. Technically, this is not cut out. You just put the wreath, but I think I might cut it in half. So there are cut lines here, if you can see. And I'm not going to add the O because I want to do a 3-dimensional wreath. But I do want there to be I'm gonna line up these 2 edges with the edge of this board, and then I'm gonna do a big O. So I'm gonna start off by fuzzing my transfer. So do you guys like to decorate for holidays? Which holidays do you like to decorate for? Tell me in the comments below. And how do you like to decorate? Do you like to put stuff on your walls, or, I mean, every holiday kind of has its different stuff. Buzz it. All right, now I'm going to kind of just eyeball. Looks about right to me. Just smooth that on. I'm gonna do red. Cute. Well, I'm glad I did the red. Oh, you guys, that's so cool. Check that out. Like, look how easy that was. Okay, so I have my transfers soaking so that they don't get too stained. Looks like the faster you get the red stuff in, the better it comes off. Because look at that, that's almost mostly gone. Okay, so I bought, this is like a little greenery. It looks like a little Christmas tree. I got it at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. Okay, so I want to make this about the height, I don't want it so much bigger, of the joy sign, and I'm just gonna kind of go around. So in order for this to hold together, I am going to kind of do that a little bit. All right, so to make a bow, I'm going to take my ribbon, I take 2 of my fingers, so they're kind of even, like that, and then I'm just going to wrap them around each other. Okay, and then at this point you can fix the little loops to make them even. Okay, so would you put it on the top or would you put it on the bottom? Gosh darn it, I like both. Okay, I think I might do the top, and then it kind of mimics the red. Or is that too much like what happens if I put it over here? Nope. First of all, I'm gonna fix the tail so that they are the same length. Okay. All right, so. Okay, so then I'm just gonna hot glue this little wreath in place and hot glue the little bow on the wreath. Do you think I'm excited about it? My hot glue is ready. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this. Hot glue on the back of this and just stick that down. You guys, that is so adorable. I can hardly get over it. Okay, you guys, This is my favorite. That is so cute. I need to like put it somewhere so I can look at it. Oh, I love it. This is so versatile. I mean, this is a perfect neighbor gift. So you could probably make one of these for like $5 a piece if you did it in bulk. It's really good. I think that's awesome. Oh, so cute. I love it. So we'll put that right there to go with that. So cute. Tell me, which one do you like better? The Rudolph, the Red-Nosed Reindeer one, or all the reindeer, or the joy sign? If you want to buy any of the products that we showed in this video, check below. I have links. If you're interested in like signing up so that you can sell this and make it a business, then email me and then I can help you out. So, all right guys, I will talk to you later. Don't forget to watch our other Christmas videos. Christmas, Christmas. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.